now we want to discuss the unit of stresses on strain. So strain is the basically unitless quantity. I have already discussed because dl upon l, then dl is the suppose meter and l is the meter. So meter upon meter cancel out. So this is the unitless quantity. So strain is the unitless quantity. So strain basically that is the displacement per unit length. Displacement per unit length is called strain. Means delta L upon L. Delta L is the displacement, okay, and L is the length. So delta L upon L means displacement per unit length is called strain. Strain is the unit because delta L in meter and L in meter, or delta L in mm, L in mm means mm cancel out. So this is the unit concept. Okay. Now here newtons per meter square is the unit of stress. Kilonewton per meter square. Also you can meganewton per meter square. Also, you can consider Newton per mm square. So these are the various types of units in the stress case. So here, so suppose when Newton is taken as a unit of force and millimeter as a unit of area, millimeter squares. Okay, millimeter square as a area, then unit of stress will be Newton per mm square. Okay. Millimeter square is as the unit of area. Then case of we consider Newton per mm square is the standard unit of stress. You can also particular cases taken kilonewton per mm square, Newton per meter square, kilonewton per meter square, meganewton per meter square. Okay, different types of unit you can consider according to your need, problem solving. So now stress of the 1 Newton per meter square is known as the Pascal. So 1 Pascal is equal to 1 MPa. Okay, 1 MPa means M means 1 into 10 to the power 6. Okay, Pascal. Pascal means Newton per meter square. This is a Pascal. Pascal means Newton per meter square. So here Pascal into Newton. We change meter means 10 to the power 6. 10 to the power 6 mm square. Okay. This is the mm square. Means 1 meter is equal to 10 to the power 3 meter. Okay. 1 mm square is equal to 10 to the power 6 meters. So 10 to the power 6, 10 to the power 6 cancel out. So 1 Pascal, 1 PA basically. This is the 1 PA here. So 1 PA is equal to 1 Newton per mm square. So this is the unit of the stress. Okay. So 1 MPa is equal to 1 mega Newton per meter square. Means 1 Newton per mm square. Okay. Now MPa Pascal means MPa or Newton per meter square.